What if I told you that you could make a video that gets thousands of views without a camera, without actors, and without expensive gear or pro-level editing skills? I'm Nova, and today I'll show you, step by step, exactly how to make AI videos that people actually want to watch. It's more doable than you think, so stick with me to the end, because step 11 is the one most people get wrong. Here's exactly what we'll cover. We'll pick a video idea built to get views. Then use real AI prompts to write your script, generate a voiceover, create images, and turn those images into moving video. After that, captions, music, editing, a click-worthy thumbnail, and the title and SEO that helps YouTube recommend you. Near the end, I'll show you the free tools you can use today, plus one honest note about commercial rights that most tutorials skip. Let's go. Step 1. Pick an idea built to get views. The easiest wins are searchable, faceless-friendly formats, how-to guides, top 10 lists, surprising facts, and short stories. And pick one niche and stick with it for a while. YouTube rewards channels that stay focused. A great starting idea? Exactly what you're watching. Teaching people how to use AI. Before you commit, check demand. Ask 2 questions. Is someone actually searching for this? And can I make it clearer or more fun than what's already out there? Type your idea into YouTube or Google and watch the autocomplete suggestions. Those are real searches. Pick topics people are already looking for, and you're halfway to the views. Step 2. Your script. Don't stare at a blank page. Let AI draft it. Open ChatGPT and paste a prompt like the one on screen. Notice how specific it is. It names the audience, the tone, the length, and the exact structure. The more specific your prompt, the better your script. AI writes the first draft. You'll add the personality next. Here's the step that separates good from generic. Make the script sound like you. Read the AI draft out loud. Anywhere it feels stiff, rewrite it the way you'd actually say it. Add a short aside, a bit of humor, your own opinion. AI gives you the structure. Your personality is what makes people subscribe. Step 3. The voiceover. Yes, including the voice you're hearing right now. AI text-to-speech turns your script into natural narration in seconds. Paste your script, pick a voice that matches your vibe, warm for tutorials, punchy for entertainment, and export. Your voice sets the mood of the entire video. One small trick makes AI voices sound human. Pacing. Add short pauses between ideas and emphasize the key words, just like a real speaker breathes and stresses. Most TTS tools let you insert pauses and emphasis right in the text. Slow down for the important lines. It instantly sounds less robotic and more like a real host. Step 4. Your visuals. Describe the shot you want in plain language. Subject, setting, lighting, mood, like the prompt on screen. Words like golden hour, cinematic lighting, and photorealistic all change the result. Generate a few options and keep the best. In a minute, I'll show you exactly which sites let you do this for free. 2 quick craft tips. 1. Be specific. A vague prompt gives you a boring image. Adding the setting, lighting, camera angle, and style gives you something you'd actually use. 2. Keep your look consistent. Reuse the same style words, and if your tool supports a seed or a reference image, lock it so your characters and scenes match across the whole video. You don't need to spend anything to start. These sites let you generate images for free. Microsoft Designer, Leonardo, Ideogram, Google Image FX, Playground, and Canva. Try a few. Each has its own style and its own free limits. Find 1 or 2 you like and get comfortable. Right after this, let's talk about something most tutorials skip: the rights. Here's the honest part most tutorials skip, so don't assume. For images, some free tiers actually do allow commercial use. Leonardo and Ideogram both let you use your generations commercially for free. But watch the fine print. On Leonardo's free tier, your images are public, so anyone can reuse them. You only get privacy and full ownership on a paid plan. Some other tools keep free output to personal use or add a watermark, so check each one. Before you monetize, check that specific tool's terms, and when in doubt, the paid plan is the safe bet. Step 5. The magic moment. Turning a still image into moving video. AI video tools take your image and add motion. Upload the image, describe the movement you want, like the prompt on screen, and keep it subtle. Gentle, believable motion looks far more professional than wild effects. Next, where to do this for free. 2 things to know about AI video. First, most tools only make short clips, usually somewhere between 6 and 30 seconds, depending on the tool. So you'll generate several and stitch them together in editing. That's normal. It's how these videos are built. Second, less is more. A slow push-in or a gentle drift looks believable. Over-the-top motion looks fake and distracts from your message. Short clips, subtle motion, stitched together, that's the trick. Here are free video tools to try today. Runway, Pika, Luma Dream Machine, Kling, and Pixverse for generating clips, and CapCut for free editing. Most give you a limited number of free credits, so start small and learn what each one does best. Have fun experimenting. And, same as with images, there's a rights note coming up you'll want to hear. Same honest rule for video. Many free tiers are personal use and leave a watermark. Some, like CapCut, do allow commercial use. The moment your video becomes commercial, ads, sponsorships, selling a product, the paid plan is the safe choice. Because for most tools, that's what gives you full commercial rights and removes the watermark. And never try to crop, erase, or paint over a watermark to sneak around it. That breaks the tool's terms. Read the terms, protect your channel. Step 6. Captions. A lot of people watch on mute, especially while scrolling. Captions keep them watching, which helps your watch time, and they boost accessibility too. Good news, you don't have to type them. Tools like CapCut auto-generate captions from your audio. You just fix any typos. Keep them big, high contrast, and just a few words at a time. Step 7. Music and sound. The right track sets the emotion. Calm for a tutorial, energetic for entertainment. Golden rule, keep the music quiet, around a quarter of the volume, so your voice always stays clear. A couple of subtle sound effects, a soft whoosh on transitions, add polish. Just make sure any music you use is cleared for commercial use if you'll monetize. Step 8. Bring it all together. Drop your clips onto a timeline in order. Lay the voiceover on top, put the background music underneath, and add your captions. Free editors like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve handle all of it. Trim any dead air, add quick transitions, and export in 1080p. That's your finished video. Quick pacing tip that punches above its weight. Cut the dead air. Every long pause, every slow moment where nothing happens is a place people click away. Tighten it up. In tutorials, faster is usually better. Keep things moving and your watch time climbs. And watch time is one of the main things YouTube rewards. Step 9. The thumbnail. Because your thumbnail and title decide whether anyone clicks at all. The best ones are simple and bold. 1 clear, expressive face, 3 big words max, high contrast colors that pop on a phone. Design one in Canva or generate a background with a prompt like this. If you wouldn't click it, neither will they. Don't settle on your first thumbnail. Make 3. Glance at them from across the room, or ask a friend which one grabs their eye first. Many creators even swap thumbnails after a video is live and watch the click-through rate change. Your thumbnail is the single biggest lever on whether a great video actually gets seen, so it's worth a few extra minutes. Step 10. Title and SEO. How YouTube learns who to show your video to. Your title should include the words people actually search, while still being irresistible to click. Let AI help. Paste a prompt like this to brainstorm titles, a description, and tags in seconds. Fill out the rest properly. Your description gives context and timestamps so viewers can jump around, and your tags reinforce the topic. One rule, though, keep it honest. Clickbait that the video doesn't deliver tanks your watch time, and watch time, along with whether viewers like it and come back, is a big part of what YouTube rewards. Promise what you deliver, and deliver what you promise. Step 11, the one most people get wrong. Your first 3 seconds decide whether someone stays or scrolls. So never open with, "Hey guys, welcome back, please subscribe." Open with a promise or a bold question, exactly like I did at the start of this video. Show the result they'll get, tease the best part, and get moving. Hook first, introductions later. Step 12. Consistency. One perfect video rarely blows up. Growth comes from posting regularly so YouTube and your audience know what to expect. Pick a schedule you can actually keep, even once a week, and stick to it. Now that AI does the heavy lifting, keeping a steady schedule is genuinely doable. One more habit that quietly makes you better? Read your analytics. Which videos held attention? Where did people drop off? That retention curve is a free lesson. The dip shows you the exact moment you lost them. Make more of what worked, fix what didn't, and every video gets a little stronger than the last. Let's dodge the 4 most common mistakes. 1. A slow intro. Hook first. 2. Cluttered visuals and tiny text. Keep it clean and readable on a phone. 3. A flat, robotic voice. Add pauses and emphasis. 4. Ignoring your analytics. The data tells you what your audience loves. Avoid these 4 and you're already ahead of most beginners. Let's put the money question honestly. Rights really do vary by tool. For images, some free tiers allow commercial use. Leonardo and Ideogram do. But AI voices are often the opposite. 11 Labs' free plan can't be monetized and asks you to credit it in your title, and CapCut's voices are free to try but paid to monetize, so you'd need a paid plan to use those commercially. Simple rule that keeps you safe. Learn for free, upgrade before you earn. When you monetize, move to the paid plan for the tools you actually use and read their terms. 2 honest notes before we wrap. First, YouTube's AI disclosure rule. You only disclose realistic AI content someone could mistake for real. A real person made to say something they didn't, altered footage, a fake but realistic scene, or a cloned voice. Clearly animated content like this video is exempt, and so are AI-written scripts, captions, or cloning your own voice. But watch the trap. A pre-built AI voice like 11 Labs' Rachel inside a realistic video does need disclosing. When in doubt, flip the AI Use toggle in YouTube Studio under Attributes. Second, never crop, erase, or paint over a watermark to dodge the rules. Upgrade instead. Play it straight. Let's put it all together. Pick a searchable idea and check it's in demand. Script it with AI. Then make it sound like you. Generate your voiceover. Add pauses so it feels human. Create your images. Keep them consistent. Then bring them to life as short video clips and stitch them. Add captions. Layer in quiet music. Edit on a timeline. And trim the dead air. Design a bold thumbnail. Write an honest, keyword-rich title. Hook them in the first 3 seconds. Post consistently. And learn from your analytics. That's the whole pipeline. And almost every step has a free tool to start. Here's my challenge to you. Don't wait for perfect. Today, do just 3 things. Pick one idea, write a short script with AI, and generate your very first clip. That's it. Your first video won't be your best, and that's completely fine. Every creator you admire started with a rough first one. The magic isn't in getting it perfect, it's in getting it done. You now have every step you need, and most of the tools are free to start. So go make your very first AI video today. even a short one. If this helped you, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and check out the video on screen to keep going. I can't wait to see what you create. I'm Nova. Now go get those views. Happy earnings!